Today we're at Tallarico's Restaurant, Lounge, and Banquet Facility at 2525 Monroeville Boulevard in Monroeville.
Welcome to Tallarico's.
I come to Tallarico's for the great food and the good people.
When you first walk into Tallarico's, the bar's on your right. And if you turn left, you'll see the specials, and onward from there is the dining room. Tallarico's name is new, but you may have known these folks for 40 years at other locations such as Casey's Pizza, once cooking at Casey's Pub, and the Rose Cliff Lounge. Yes, they've been making homemade dough, fresh hoagies, and hand-breaded dishes all these years, and they have a brand new dining experience for you at Tallarico's. Many a times I find myself asking my wife, hey, where do you want to go eat? And she always says, somewhere we can sit outside. I find myself hard-pressed for a decision. Well, Tallarico's has a sweet deck set up just for you and that outside dining experience. We'll take you to the bar, but first let's check out some of the food. Here you have a specialty white pizza called the Margarita Pizza. I tried a piece of this. Delicious. Eggplant parmesan stuffed with ricotta cheese, or a ginormous fish sandwich hand-breaded and served with fresh cut fries. Or you could always get something like
Sausage, potatoes, and peppers. Very, very good. Come out, it's a great time. Good people.
And all the while I falter, I can see her from the corner of my eye. But pain crosses every line. See, relativity has got a selfish grip on me. Yeah, every plane of poverty must